How to say Happy Gurpurab in French? Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to my channel all about life. Today we will learn how to say Happy Gurpurab in French. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. How to say Happy Gurpurab in French? You will say Joyeux anniversaire de Guru Nanak Dev Ji. How you will say? Joyeux anniversaire de Guru Nanak Dev Ji. As you know, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is a person, or you can say it's a noun you cannot change. So we will not replace the name over here. Sava? Est-ce que vous savez qui est Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Oh, I know that I am speaking in French. You didn't understand? Yes. What I want to say that? Do you know who is Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Pas de problème, je vais le décrire. Doesn't matter, I am going to explain it. Don't worry. Il était né comme Nanak le 15 avril 1469 à Rai Pao की तलवंडी, maintenant au Pakistan, jusqu'à 22 septembre 1539 à Kartarpur, au Pakistan. It means he was born as Nanak on 15 April 1469 at Rai Pao ki Talwandi, now in Pakistan, to 22nd September 1539 at Kartarpur, Pakistan. Il est aussi connu sous le nom de Baba Nanak. It means he is also known as Baba Nanak. Il était le fondateur de Sikhisme, which means he was the founder of Sikhism. Il est le premier des 10 Gurus Sikh, which means he is the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. Sa naissance est célébrée dans le monde entier comme Gurpurab, anniversaire de Guru Nanak Dev Ji, la pleine lune de Katak, le mois de calendrier Nanak Shahi, which means his birth is celebrated worldwide as Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Gurpurab birthday on the full moon of Katak, a month of Nanak Shahi calendar. Il a voyagé à travers l'Asie pour enseigner le message de Ik Oankar en Saldiou, which means he traveled across Asia to teach the people the message of Ik Oankar, one God. Avec ces concepts, il établirait une plateforme unique, spirituelle, sociale et politique fondée sur l'égalité, l'amour fraternel, la bonté et la vertu. Which means, with his concepts, he would set up a unique spiritual, social, and political platform based on equality, fraternal love, goodness, and virtue. Ces paroles sont enregistrées dans le livre sacré des Sikhs, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, qui comprend certains de ses principales prières, Japji Sahib, Asa Ki War, Siddh Ghosh, avec le même message de vérité éternelle. What does it mean? His words are registered in the holy book of Sikhs, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which includes some of his major prayers, Japji Sahib, Asa Ki War, Siddh Ghosh, with the same message of eternal truth. Okay, c'est tout, c'est fini. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for learning French with me. Clear your doubts in the comment box. Check the description box for French apps, games and many more. Today's keyword is bonne soirée, which means good evening. This is used for some duration of time in the evening. How you will say? Bonne soirée. Très bien. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. Au revoir. Merci. À bientôt.